Hey guys, Alethea here. I'm back with three more patterns, the easy transitioning into fall. So if you have not seen the other videos, I'll insert them as we go along. These three patterns are rated easy and one is an average pattern. So these are patterns that I selected out of my stash. This is the end of the transitioning into fall little mini series of pattern select. These are the ones that I've chose for the latter part of fall transitioning into winter. So the first one is New Look in 6772, and as you can see, it's an easy pattern, and it's just for knits. It's basically a sweatsuit top and pants for male and female. So the back is looking like this. You have a small to XXL. The top, you can contrast it, and you have your finished measurements, and it's a unisex knit top and pants, and as you can see, it's rated easy. And here is the line art for you. So this is the line art for N6772. As you can see, the top is color blocked, and you have 15 pieces for this complete set. And that's New Look 6772. The next pattern is Simplicity 9647, and as you can see, it's pants and shorts. And note, it's easy to sew. So here is the line art, and it's called Mrs. Pants in Shorts. And you have your selections A, B, C, and D to choose from. So the suggested fabrics are cotton blends, gabardine, linen blends, stretch wovens, twill, wool blends, and lining and interfacing is called for. So let's see the inside drawings. And this is how they looking. So you have pants in like 3 lengths. A, B, C, and D, and that's the shorts. B and C look like they the same length with a cuff. A is longer, and you have the belt loops and zipper and a button. But it's rated easy. The next one is Simplicity 9826. You have a pants, camisole, and a cardigan. I made this cardigan. I'm going to try to insert a picture if I don't forget. And let's see what they're called. A camisole. See, it's a camisole, and she's wearing it here. And you have buttons, 3 buttons on this cardigan. And you have pants in 2 lengths, A and B. And this pattern is rated average. I'm going to make this cardigan again this winter. I liked it, but I made it a little big, so I'm going to trim it down. And suggested fabrics are cotton blends, gabardine, linen blends, satin, stretch wovens, twill, wool blend, silk or tights for C, which is the camisole, and stretch for, and ponte for the cardigan. I like this pattern. It was easy to make to me. And this cardigan is the only thing I've made so far from S9826 Simplicity. And they called this Mrs. Pants in 2 lengths, camisole, and cardigan. And as you can see, it is rated average. So guys, remember to check out the community tab, or they're calling the community post, where I place the sewing game. It's called Let's Play the Sewing Game. And also, if you want shout outs for being interactive with the channel, let me know. I don't want to call out anybody's name without permission. Let me know in the comments, and let me know also in the comments which one of these is your favorite as we transition deeper into fall. Thanks for watching. I truly appreciate you all. Thanks and shout out to all new subscribers and everyone that has been running with me since day one. You're truly appreciated. Sweet sewing inspiration. I'll see you later in another video. And thank you for coming. Bye.